Hi, I'm Mike, and today I'm going to show you how to play a simple blues progression on a slide guitar. It's very doable by a beginner on any guitar. It doesn't take any special equipment uh, other than maybe a slide, okay? Other than that, it's just a simple guitar. I use a pick. Some people use their fingers. I use a pick and these two fingers. Okay, so to start with, my guitar is tuned to an E major chord. Okay, so if you're playing this chord on your guitar, that's the sound it makes when I strum all six strings. That is E, B, E, G sharp, B, E. Okay, so when you're playing with this open tuning, it's important to remember that when you bar across a fret, you're playing an E chord, okay, or an A chord, or a B, depending upon what fret you're on. You're just playing an entire chord. Also, when you're playing all the strings open, you're playing an open chord. You're playing a chord. So this progression is going to be an E. Then it's going to be an A. Then it's going to be an E again. Then it goes B, A, E. The 12th fret is the same as no fret. It's an octave up. So the way I like to do it, I like to take my slide, and then I like to lay my fingers behind it here so it mutes these strings. I take these fingers and pull up on some strings down here. Like, so my E chord is going to be an E chord because I'm hitting my lowest string with my pick. Then I'm picking these with these two fingers here. Okay, so it's then I go up to an A chord, which is just a 5th fret, and do the same thing. Then back to the 12th. Then I go to a B, which is the 7th fret. Then I go to the A again and do it twice. Then back to the E. So that's basically the rhythm in this simple little song that I've just made up right here for us, okay? So one of the things you can do, since you're playing with a slide, is you can mess around with it when you're playing this chord progression. Once you get that and that is what so when you hear people say they're playing a box on a slide, that's the box right there. This is an E chord, and you can slide back 2 frets. You can slide back 2 frets on all these strings in between your picking of your chord. And that's all it is it's what they call it, a box, and you can spice it up however you want. It's there's a lot of octaves in here because there's a lot of strings that are all tuned the same, so you can. So you got 3 E strings here. You got this one, your high E, what used to be the D string, which is the 3rd string down, and this one. So if you play octaves, you go. Then you can do it with the B string too. And don't be afraid to hit all the strings, because it's tuned to a chord. Okay, so make sure you pick with your right hand. Twelfth fret, 5th fret, and 7th fret. And you can make your own blues song with a slide guitar. It's just that easy. So my tip, I love these Ernie Ball slides for whatever reason. You can use anything. Some people use a water pipe. I like the Ernie Ball glass slide. That's my favorite thing. So anyway, I hope you've gotten something from this sort of short tutorial. And if you would, give our page a thumbs up and subscribe to our page, all right? Thank you. You have a good day.